is a used 2005 Scion XA. It's powered by front-wheel drive, a 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine, and a 4-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include a premium sound system, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, an MP3 player, privacy glass, air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. Safety was made a priority with these features: a passenger airbag, front ventilated disc brakes, anti-lock brakes, child safety locks. Be confident in your purchase with an AutoCheck Vehicle History Report, the industry's trusted vehicle history provider. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Tamiami Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 1471 North Airport Road, Naples, Florida 34104.